Here is a first look at the Smart Helix razor from the Ukraine. Nice packaging. Wow, fancy. Very cool packaging. Apollo stainless steel razor. That's beautiful. It's like a little tombstone, a little casket for your razor. Opens from the top with a fitted cover. Awesome. That is beautiful. Okay, let's remove that. Comes with a card, lifetime guarantee certificate with a number, UA19003. Pretty sweet. So it's guaranteed for life. A little tricky to get out. It's really packed in there nicely. Beautiful. So it says Apollo stainless steel razor, S&H, Smart Helix. The side is turned toward the blade, aggressive shaving, smooth shaving. So we have two different varieties on the head, depending on which way you turn it. This is kind of locked in here. There's two arrows pointing up. If you can see, you just push that little disc upward and then pull it out, and that's got it all locked in place. Pretty sweet packaging. Fancy razor. Wow. Nice balance up here at the top. Look at that. Thing of beauty. It's a single head, but evidently, can you flip the whole head? Let's see. Wow, it's really super tight fitted. Oh, it comes with a little rubber washer. I haven't seen that before on a razor. See that little rubber washer right there? I don't know if that stays there all the time or not, but interesting. And there is that number, Smart Helix UA19003, right there. So I can throw a little bit of light on it. Right there. And here's the razor. Very nice knurled handle. It gets progressively thicker towards the top. It's got grooves in the side here. It's got a hole in the bottom, which is for the stand, which also, I think that may just be for shipping, because this has the rubber washer on it as well. Probably just so things don't get scratched up when it's in shipment in the package. Clean this off a little. I love the stand. It's got a nice small footprint and it's pretty sturdy. It holds it in there nicely. Again, with the logo Smart Helix on the bottom and a rubber washer around the bottom so it won't scratch anything, and it also makes it sure-footed. It doesn't slide at all. So that'd be great for your wet countertop. Very cool. I'll have to attempt to shave with it and see how it works. I'm going to take this out. I don't think this needs to be in here. I think that's just in there for shipping. That little rubber washer. One for the stand, one for the razor. This large circle will be the aggressive shaving towards the blade. And the small circle, this one, towards the blade, will be for smooth shaving. And either way, these pins lock in very, very firmly and tightly. No doubt whatsoever that the blade will be locked in place, no matter whether you use it for aggressive shaving or smooth, mild shaving. Let's grab a blade, insert it, and see what it looks like. Let's go with a feather blade. Open her up again. All right, so let's see how the blade fits over. Very nicely, you can see that the indentations where the pins go, very pronounced. Let's check that reveal. Perfect. Really even on both sides. Let's flip it over and have a look. So as it sits right now, it is the aggressive shaving because the big circle is up toward the blade. We'll flip it over and put the small circle up toward the blade. Tighten that up. See how that reveal looks. Very nice, looks perfect. And the thing I like about it as well is the blade does not protrude. On a lot of razors, the blade will protrude past the side of the head. So you run the risk of cutting yourself in the corners here. This does not. So they put a lot of thought into this. It's got nice grooves on the top of the top cap. So when it rides on your skin, that's pretty sweet. Here's a look at it from the handle. Very nice looking razor. I have not shaved with this razor yet. I will, and we'll see how it performs. Let me get the specs on it. Let's see. What do we have? A tad over 4 inches. Yep. 103 millimeters long. Let me check the weight. I just put it on my digital scale and it weighs in at 4.2 ounces or 120 grams. So there it is. First look at the Apollo stainless steel razor by Smart Helix. After I shave with this razor, I'll also upload a video to go along with it and review the razor and speak to the shave provided. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day.